the recording.
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, so where is here? Okay, so what happens is when I say this curl and HTTP, the worker node, and then 30527. Okay, what this will do is it will listen, okay, on the port 80, okay, to in my HTTP 01 pod. Okay, now to know which is the worker node, okay, if you say QCTL, okay, cluster dash info. Okay, it's not giving them more info. Okay. Okay, let me do one thing here. What I will show is QCTL. Okay. Actually, this pods services. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, see, this service is created by this your Minikube. Okay.
Yeah.
Minikube. But we are not worried about this. We just want this one. Okay. Now this service, okay, if you need the information of this service, which on which node it is worker node it is working on, you can say Minikube. Okay, sorry, Minikube service, name of the service HTTPD 01, then minus URL. Okay, so it is in this particular worker node. Okay, 49.2. Okay, and if I say this, then I will get when I say this call. Okay, just a moment. Okay, when I say this, when I'm saying this, okay, what is happening is it is actually sending the request to what? This nodes, this ports, port number 80, which is running HTTPD. Okay, see, this is what you get when you run a HTTPD server. The very first thing is this is what you get. It works. Okay.
It works. Okay.
Yeah. Now, my another thing here is okay. The same concept. Okay. Suppose here, if I go to the presentation and tell you, okay, over here, that. Okay. So here in this presentation, can you tell me what is the problem? What is the problem in this presentation? Not presentation, in this scenario, this scenario, what is the problem? See, what I have done, I've created one Nginx port here, one here, okay, in three different nodes, okay. Now, what is the problem with this setup? Okay, suppose your this Nginx port goes away, okay, you'll not know it. Okay, and you'll check, yes, it is down, then you'll create again. Yes or no? Similar to these two. So what we do is we create an object that will always maintain these three pieces of say pods. It will always ensure that 3 pods are running, similar to your instance group. Okay, it will always ensure that your 3 VM instances are running. When you say desired is 3, okay, similar to your auto scaling, Naveen. Okay, so so we'll create an object which is called replica set. Okay, that replica set, okay, will have 1, 2, 3 Nginx running always. Okay, so let's go and see replica set. Sorry, replica set. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll delete these services, these say objects, kubectl, delete pods, one. Okay, deleted, and I'll delete the service also. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, okay, kubectl. Oh, delete. This will say, yeah, delete, but this should be services, correct? Okay. Now I don't have any ports, any services. Okay. Now I've got my rps01.yml here, rpl set. Okay. Now, in this case, see, I said the API version will be apps/v1. And be careful, I already said all these are very, this indent specific. Okay. Your YML file is always indent very sensitive. If you say give name a little bit this side and starting little bit this side, it will fail. Okay, I'll show that to you. Now, I say the name is RPS01. Now in the spec, okay, what happens is, let's do like this, okay. Okay, this one is okay, no problem. In deployment is different. So in type, I say Nginx frontend, the labels, okay. Name is here. See, up to here is same, right? Up to here, syntax is same, correct? Okay. Now, there is something additional in template in this particular, say, replica set, okay, object, that is you need to specify template. Okay, this template, you remember when you do auto scaling group, you use this launch template. Okay, and in instance group also we use what, VM template, correct? Siva, we use VM template. Yeah, okay, so here also in this particular replica set, okay, we are going to use one, say, one container which will work as the say base template. So here what we are saying in this template, okay, we are just saying in the template and then spec. We are in the spec. See, template also has same information similar to our pod. Okay, same information. See, okay, pod. So this is like a pod. Okay, container. So what we are saying is the template will be of Nginx. What Nginx image, okay, and I'm saying replicas 2. Okay, so replicas 2 means, what it means is this in this particular object, when I run, it will create 2 pods. Okay, you can say 3, 4, any number. Okay, but they will have the same Nginx image, made of same Nginx image. Okay, now selector match labels, these are not that important, but what this does is this helps to, say, link with your service. Okay, so what it will do is any say pod, okay, any pod, okay, that has this and this information will come join this replica set RPS01. Okay, so this one will not see it. Okay, will though it is written there, will not do it, but we'll see this much. Okay, now let's go inside that file vi rp. Okay, actually what I want to do is instead of Nginx, I want to use HTTP. Okay, no problem, we'll use Nginx only. Okay, so now let's create this one. Okay, so kubectl, the command is same. Kubectl create -f and name of the file, that is rp. Okay, now I did it. Okay, now the what is the object name? Replica set. Okay, so what it has done, it has created a replica set called RPS01. Okay, the name is here what? RPS01. So now you can say kubectl get replica sets. Okay, just replica sets, because we have only one replica set, correct? So see, it is saying RPS 01 to desired current to ready to. Okay, now can you both tell me what has happened from this? I'll tell you, I'll show you this. Okay, I'll show you here something. Based on that, you should be able to see. Tell me. Yes. Based on this, what do you think has happened now? Based on this picture. Yeah, tell me, anyone.
Create two nodes, right?
Pods, not nodes.
Yeah,
Pods. Okay, very correct. Okay, Siva. And Naveen, it will create two pods. So you can say
yeah.
cube, CTL, okay, pods. So how many pods it will show? Two. And the pods will be starting with RPS 01, I believe so. See? Okay. In your auto scaling also same thing happens. The instance name will be different. Okay. In both the cases, whether it's instance group or auto scaling. So that means this particular replica set object, okay, it will always ensure that two these instances are running. Okay. Now I say kubectl, that time we should delete, right? Pods, and suppose I delete this pod. Okay. What will happen? What will happen?
It's create another pod.
Correct.
Like
with the same structure. Very true. See, another already running. Okay.
Yeah.
See, there were D5, G29. See, D5, D we deleted this. Okay, and new one got created. So replica set works like autoscaling group or instance group. It will always maintain that required number of pods are running. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have something called deployments also. Now let's say, for example, I go here. Okay. Okay, and I make a change here. Okay, it's 3. Okay, and now this is okay. When I say 3, okay. If you make some changes in your YML file, how you manage it? kubectl apply. Last time was create. When you create new one, you say create. When you say make changes and want to apply, say apply. -F.
Yeah.
Okay. What error did you? Oh, okay. It's already it's working. Okay. Let's say ports. See, 3 ports are there now. Correct. Siva, you can see I made changes to 3 replicas equals to 3, and it created one more. It added one more.
One more.
Okay. Yeah. So now let's take, for example, I have one example here. Okay, let's say, okay, let's Google out Nginx person, okay? Docker Nginx person. What I'm showing you the difference, okay, between your what do you call replica sets and deployment. What is the difference? Although deployment is yet to come, it's similar to this only, okay? So I want to change the version to 1.23.1, okay, or 1.23, okay. So what I want to do here is I want to go here and I want to change the version, okay. So I just want to change the image version here, okay. Colon, how you give the version? What is the version? 1.23. Yeah, 1.23. So I'll give 1.23. Okay. Now let's apply it. Okay, I'm applying it. So what is happening now? The Nginx image is being changed from the latest. Okay, if you don't give anything, it is latest, and I'm degrading down to 1.23. Now see what happens. Okay, now if we say get replica sets, okay. Wait, it's already offline. So fast. Good pause. Wait, actually. Okay, actually what I was wanting to show you is, okay, when you change the version in a replica set, okay, you need to create a new replica set. See, the version has not changed here, okay. Now what you need to do, you need to create a new replica set, okay, with the new version, and then you need to drop the old replica set, okay. That is how you can upgrade, okay. But in case of deployments, okay, this replication, not replication, these say upgrades will happen automatically, okay. So let's try to see that. I will first delete this kubectl, okay, delete replica sets rps 01, okay. So it will delete all the ports, okay, no ports now. vi I have e01.yml. Now this deployment, okay, what it will do is, it is similar to replica sets, okay, see everything, okay, replica sets is similar, okay. Now, what is happening here is, okay, shall we do this one? Okay, shall we take, let's take HTTP, okay, that will be better for us, because Nginx, no problem, we'll take Nginx only. Now, let's see here, okay, so it's same way, creating, okay, create dp01, okay, YAML, okay. So now you can say kubectl get deployments, okay. See how many this ports running? 2, okay, both are up to date, available. Now if you go and say kubectl, okay, get ports, you'll see 2 ports running with dp01 starting, okay, fine. So now what is the difference, how it works, okay. Now vi okay, vi let's increase this number of replicas, okay, and I, okay, so let's make it 6, okay. Now kubectl -f, apply -f, okay. Now it should be how many ports? 6 ports, okay. See, some are creating, okay, some are running, okay. These 2 are running. Now these 4 are being created. After some time it will be running. See, all are running, okay. Now all are running. If there is no memory, no CPU, no resource available, then it will fail and it will retry again, okay. You want to see that, or you understand? Shall I make it to say 20, this one, okay, and then see.
Okay.
So okay, now if you say get ports, okay, see, it will not be able to succeed because memory and CPU may not be available, okay. All are what? Nginx, okay. Let's see if it works. If it works, then okay, well and good. Then we'll do the change in version. Okay, all are running. Okay, it's able to take it. Now, let me go to here, and I change the Nginx version. I colon 1.2, right? Okay. So now I will say offline. Okay. Let's see what happens now. See, you can see some are terminating, some are say terminating, some are running, okay, some are container creating. What it is doing now is, okay, it is applying new version to this one, whichever I said, and these are the old ones running still. So what it means is you are having online, say, migration upgrade of your Nginx, the container, okay? So what it means is you don't have to manually interfere. It will automatically say out of 20, say it will first take 6 down, okay? And it will create new 6 containers, okay? Then again, it will take another 6, create new 6. See, terminating, starting, container, your container creating, okay? So now all are in the latest version, okay? There is QCTL, okay? It, no, okay, describe. You can say describe also the object, describe deployments TP01, correct? Okay, see, you can see what has happened, okay? The information, okay? What you can see here, the first was from, it increased to 6, okay? It increased to 20, okay? Now, what it said here, see, deployment controller or replica set scale of 5, okay? Now, what does this mean? It is adding 5 more new that we change the version, right? Nginx. So the 5 instances first, okay? It created with new Nginx we wanted, and it again took down 5. See, 15 to 20 now, okay? So it took down 5 again, 10 from 5, okay? Again 14 from 15, like that, and it will create the, it will update the whole replica set, okay? You'll even see Nginx, it has changed, okay? Correct? Rolling strategy, here you can say, when we updated, it updated in this way. 25% max, okay, should be unavailable. That means you can take down maximum of, say, 75% at a time. And 25% max surge. When there is a surge of 25% max, okay, then add new pods. See, the strategy for rolling upgrade, okay, is the upgrade is rolling upgrade, okay? These are 20, 20, 20, okay, 0 unavailable, okay? Now how do you connect to these ports, correct? Both of you, correct? So that is through what? I told you, we say access through what? Service, be careful, service. Service is the one that helps you connect. So I have one service here, okay, more, SRVBT 01. See, what it does here is, okay, any deployment, okay, or any pod, okay, that has eleave as app and environment as dev, okay, will be, say, serviced by this particular service called web SRV01. Okay, it's similar to same earlier what we did. And what it is doing, it is listening to port 80 of the deployment, okay, connecting to port 80, but the port of the node is 31010. Okay, I can leave it blank. If I leave it blank, what will happen? It will assign by itself. Okay, here I want it to have 31010. If I don't give, then it will be assigned by the your service itself. Okay, so now I say kubectl. Okay, let's go and see the deployment first. More EP. Okay, you can see the selectors here, labels here. You can see the templates label. What is here? eleave and dev. Okay, and here match labels. Okay, so if anyone matching eleave, okay, will be put into this deployment. Okay, so now I will just say kubectl create minus f. What is that? dp srv srv dp. Yeah. Okay. Now kubectl get service get services. Okay. So this is the service. Okay, and it is listening on 219.297 TCP port of my worker node. Worker node. So now worker nodes. So what will I do to get that? Mini queue. Okay. Service. Okay. What is the service name? Web SRV 01. Then I will say that that's URL. Okay. So if I access this URL, so it should give me what? Nginx welcome screen, correct? Because my image is my container is which image? Nginx. Let me copy. Okay, paste. Okay. See, this is what you get, right? For Nginx, when you go to the URL in your, if you install Nginx and you go to URL of that website or of that server, you'll get this, correct? Yes or no? So this is
Correct.
how it works. Okay. So today we learned about what is Kubernetes. Okay, and how we can use Kubernetes to create pods, replica sets, deployments, and how we can use service to connect to them. Okay. So how our services can connect to them. Actually, to tell you very truly, in real life scenario, okay, this one you are going to access from where? From the URL here actually. You go and access here actually. Okay, but I won't be able to access it in this way because the ports, this is a local host actually, 192.168.49.2. In order to wait, let me try with the IP address whether it works or not. I don't think it will work, but anyway, if God blesses, then it will work. I've been trying this to make it work, but no, it will not work. Okay, because this is the EC2 instance. Okay, and I told you the Minikube, what it is doing inside the EC2 instance. Okay, it's creating three Docker containers. One for master node, two for worker nodes. So those in between those worker nodes, we can use this curl command here. This curl command, okay, to access the URL, similar to this. Okay. So this is all about Kubernetes pods, replica sets, and deployments. So replica sets, what happens? It maintains the same number of desired number of pods are running. Deployment, it helps you to upgrade in a rolling fashion. Okay, you don't have to like see in replica set. What you need to do? You need to create a new replica set first. Okay, with the new image. Okay, once it is up and running, then you remove the old one. Okay, but in deployment, when you make the change to the Nginx image, okay, it was automatically upgrading one by one. Okay, you don't have to take down the deployment. You don't need to delete nothing. But in replica set, if you want to upgrade, you need to say, okay, we'll see it here itself. Okay, let's do it. I'll show it to you very quickly. kubectl deployment dp01. Correct. So I'm deleting this. Okay. Now I'll create the replica set. Okay. kubectl. Okay. Minus create minus f. Okay. And what is my replica set? rp s01 YAML. Minus f. Okay. Fine. So now my replica set is created. Now if you see here, kubectl get replica set. Okay. So we wanted 3. Now get describe. Let's go. Describe a replica set. What is that? RP01. RPS01. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So what it says, say the Nginx version is what? 1.23. Okay.
Yeah.
If I go and check in my RPS 01 YAML, I said 1. Now I make it latest. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's make it latest. Okay, I want the latest Nginx. And now I say, instead of create, I say offline. Okay, offline. Okay, okay. Now let's see. Describe. Okay. See here you can see here 3 ports running status, 0 waiting. Okay, 0 failed. Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
0 success.
Where do you see 0? Yeah, succeeded 0.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait up. What is status? Actually. So that means it did not change the image. Okay. So now what you need to do? I'll tell you what you need to do. Okay. What you'll do here is you'll say 0 to here. Okay. Now you are creating replica set 02. Okay. Okay. Now, now after that, what you do then? You say QCL delete replica set RPL replica set RPS01. Okay. Now your 02 is running with the latest Nginx version, and you have deleted RPS01. Okay. So this is how you do. But in deployment, what happened? We did not have to do anything, correct? It automatically changed the version. Okay, we saw the information also. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, replica set and deployment. Replica set only ensures that you have right number of replicas running or your right number of ports running. Whereas in deployments, you can do more advanced features like upgrading your Nginx in place. Okay, so and it will upgrade. It will take some of them down. It will upgrade. It will add new one with the new and remove the old one. Again, add new one, remove the old one, like that. It will do by itself automatically. We don't have to interfere. But in replica set, you need to create a new replica set with the new version and drop the old replica set. Okay. So this is all about what I was wanting to tell you all today. Okay. Thanks a lot for joining. And yeah, in exam, okay, for sure, 2 to 3 questions will be there. In GCP will have more questions. GCP. AWS may have lesser questions on this Kubernetes, but in GCP there will be more questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all for today. I'll upload the video in few minutes. Okay. Ken.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Yeah.
I did receive, I think last week we had a call, right? So
Yeah.
I think that video need to be still.
No problem. I'll do that. I'll do it today. Actually, I was a little bit busy. Okay. Ken.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, Naveen. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.